Good morning guys, welcome to Motovlog number 51. Finally back on the bike. This is the usual morning routine before leaving for a bike ride. Can't start it because the bike is so loud, we'll wake up the neighbors. Next weekend will be the Ducati. Okay, I have to drag the bike out without switching on the ignition because the bike is so loud. Good morning G. It'll wake up everybody and the neighbors will get upset. Struggles of a morning ride getting out of the house. We'll do a cold start as soon as I hit that intersection. So finally back on the bike after a really long time. It's a Saturday today, like I said earlier. We are riding towards Jewar toll, which is the Yamuna Expressway, Sagar Expressway. The reason we are riding on a Saturday is because the entire group is out, most of the group is out for the weekend to Himachal. So a few of us decided to ride on a Saturday. One, it's Dussehra today, so there's going to be less traffic, but seems like pretty much good traffic right now. But anyway, being a holiday, a lot of people are free today, and then I think Sunday can be utilized as a family day and relax at home. So I'm almost at the meeting point, typically Lajpat Nagar, Haldiram. Morning sir, very well.
Thank you boy, long time partner.
Very long time.
Yeah, you seem to have lost weight.
Sir, I'm trying to. Thoda. So we're leaving from Haldiram Lajpat Nagar now, on our way. Gaurav Brole is here. You've lost weight.
I've gained 4 kg.
You've lost weight.
I've gained 4 again.
So very small group, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I think 2 more people joining us near DND. Like I said, we ride to Jewar, which is on Agra Expressway. We haven't decided on the breakfast venue yet, which we will once we are at the midpoint, and finish the ride, head for breakfast, and then get back home. That's the plan. After a really long time, I'm back on the bike. Very long. I think last I rode was back in May. I think I did a ride, and now we're in October. So happy to be back on the bike. Okay, see you in a bit. I'm riding on the Greater Noida road after such a long time, and the weather is so friggin' sexy. What lovely weather. It is so nice and nippy right now. In fact, it's really cool. I'm so happy finally we're getting nice cool breeze and cool weather. Delhi started cooling down, though during the day the weather is still pretty high, but I think it's only a matter of a few days, maybe a week to 2 weeks, things will start cooling down. This is really nice, and it's what, 7:20 in the morning, and the sun's shining, but the weather is really nice. Loving it. So quickly, we are almost near the exit which we take to get onto the Agra Expressway. We'll stop there for a bit, regroup, and then move on to Jewar, which is the first toll. Take a U-turn again, that'll be like the main stop, the midway, and then turn around and head back. So that's the plan. See you in a bit. Bye. So we've reached the exit, beginning of the Agra Expressway. back on the expressway after ages, I think after years. Woo! Exhilarating. This is so good. Anyway, that was just one short sprint, not riding fast. We'll stay within the speed limit. So I've got Sid Sethi in front of me. Sid has got great mannerism when it comes to riding. This guy always stays within the speed limit. So you have Sid around you and you've got your governor control. So we reached the midpoint, just taken a U-turn on the Jewar Yamuna Expressway. The toll is about 1 kilometer ahead. So just short of the toll, we've taken that U-turn. I was saying, why are we going to Def Call for breakfast? Let's go somewhere else.
I'm sorry?
Why do we go to Def Call for breakfast? Let's go somewhere else.
अभी decide कर लेते हैं.
Not Def Call, यार सागर.
हाँ तेरा तो neighbor है.
हमारे घर पे जाके बाइक खड़ी कर दूँ.
यार अंगी.
Yeah.
I want to tell you.
Yeah.
You both are on liter bikes right now.
Correct.
So understand when you came last 2-3 times now.
Yeah.
You road patch up here.
Sorry?
There are a lot of patches on the road.
Yeah, we're going easy now.
I know.
Yeah.
This guy is on a heavy machine.
Yeah.
ये तो निकल जाएगा.
I know.
You have to be little careful.
I know.
Because every little bit there's a patch.
Yeah.
When you see a patch now.
Yeah.
Slow down slightly.
Yeah. Today anyway, everything's been within the speed limit.
Yeah, so I'm saying 160, 160, 170.
Who the hell's going up to 160? I've never touched 160. Not more than 120.
I know. I agree.
So Buffy is waiting on the other side for the others so that they don't miss the U-turn. Buffy's there, Gaurav's there, Aman's there. I think Tarun and Sid are the ones who left behind, so should be reaching any minute now. Mr. Raman trying out the Ninja. So finally we've decided to go to Def Call for breakfast. We'll be having a breakfast at Sagar. So moving out now. Next stop, Sagar Defence Colony Market. Alright, see you. So we've reached Def Call Sagar. So just finished our brekkie at Sagar Def Call. Heading back home. Everyone's leaving. I live very close by, so not much of a ride back. But thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And we'll be back with more water vlogs in the future. Keep watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.